Every layer in the organization must be healthy and robust. Elliott was insistent. Wherever you have weakness in any layer, all the other layers will come crashing down at that point of weakness. So what's the contribution at each layer? What do we depend on? What is the value add? Well, the value add from Stratum 1 is quality. Now you may think your quality initiatives are created at Stratums 3 or 4, but for them to become visible to your customer, you have to drive them all the way down to Stratum 1. It's Stratum 1 that shows up every day and asks this question, gee, I wonder if today's product or service will be of high quality or poor quality. So what's the role of Stratum 2? It is the role of Stratum 2 to make sure that production gets done, that the entire project gets completed, not just 95%. It's the role of Stratum 2 to make sure there are no gaps in service, and at the end of the day, we've met our customers' specifications and deadlines. The value add from Stratum 2 is accuracy, completeness, and timeliness. So what's the role at Stratum 3? Well, the role of Stratum 3 is to create your systems. Create your systems, monitor your systems, and constantly improve your systems using flowcharts, sequence, and planning. The value add from Stratum 3 is consistency and predictability. Does your company have a price sheet that customers see when they purchase your product or service? Or do you have an estimating methodology that takes your customer's specifications and calculates a price? And in that price sheet or estimating method, have you calculated profit? Is the company's profit supposed to be predictable based on the price sheet? I'm often called in to consult about profit margins or lack of profit margins, and I always ask to see the organizational chart. So which stratum am I looking for on the org chart? I'm looking for Stratum 3, because Stratum 3 is responsible for predictability. It is your systems that create that predictability.